All right, so just in case you guys were wondering, I pulled the hard drive out of the other computer and I plugged it in this one. I disconnected the internet, and I actually was able to finish the installation without giving them an account or any kind of information. But otherwise, it was going to require me to do it no matter what, and it wasn't going to let me install it any other way. So basically, heads up, if you're trying to do that, then basically install Windows without the internet connected. Tell them that you do not have the internet, and you shouldn't have to give them any information. I started to do the process, and I made up a email address at Outlook. And then it wanted a phone number to go with that, and that's when I said, I ain't doing this. I'll make up a new email address that could be just for this operating system. That's cool, but I'm not gonna give you a phone number to associate with something else. I don't need to establish another account. I've already got one, and I don't want them all tied together. I just want this thing on the computer to run Windows so that I can do printing and things like that. I don't even want the internet, to be honest with you. I don't care about the internet, except for using it to get files off of, wherever. Now, if I was using CAD and creating my own stuff, I would never need the internet. I would just sit here and design my own stuff on the computer. That's another reason to use it. Probably some certain programs are easier to use. But I would design my own stuff, and I would slice it in the slicer, and I would send it over to the printer. I would never need the internet. It wouldn't be necessary. We live in a day and age where they have convinced us that everything needs to be connected to the internet. And after you've seen that CrowdStrike thing, man, trust me, you don't want everything connected to the internet. And it's not about put your tinfoil hat on and oh my God, they're spying on us. They're gonna find out all these bad things about me or whatever, or they're whatever. It's not about that. It's about that we all have the right to privacy, and we all have the right to pay for the data that we're getting without having them using it and charging us for it. And also, we have the right to not have our information sold for profit to somebody else so that we can be shoveled marketing scam crap. And, when they get your information, they do targeted advertisement on YouTube, on Google, on, Microsoft. And, they're pushing stuff to you. Amazon's a really big one of it, too. Amazon... Actually, there was a quote from one of the guys. He said, Amazon is actually one of the largest information sellers and brokers. We just happen to sell products as well. So basically, they sell products, they track people's behavior and product purchase information, and then they sell that information to other companies, I guess. I'm not really sure 100% how it works. I don't worry about it. I go about my day, and if I want to order something on Amazon, I just do it. But with the computer... I've got lots of computers over here. I don't need them all, trying to do all sorts of crap. And that's why I really do like Linux. You can go and install it and have it hooked to the internet. It's not asking you to create an account or a login. They don't want you to create a login just to make it convenient. It's not that. They want you to create a login so that they can market to you and sell your information and make money off of you. Anyway, it's about time for me to go check out the dumpster of a thrift store and see what's going on. And then I'll come back and do a live stream on the old radio.